This is Studio 10 and it's Perfect Canvas foundation, which is brilliant. This is fantastic as a foundation because you can use it using your fingertips and just quickly apply it without need for brushes or sponges, anything at all. Studio 10 designed the makeup for women over 40 or ageless beauty, but it's really for anyone because it's so incredibly easy to use and it's light to the touch. I use this product with my fingertips, which is why it's fantastic for my technique. You can use brushes, you can use sponges, it's entirely up to you, but it's very easy to use with just your fingertips. If you're fair-skinned, then you would need the number 1. If you're tanning, if you've tanned, then you probably need to go into 2. If you're Asian, Oriental or darker skinned, then you would need number 3. Simple as that. I think this is great as a product because it has, very importantly, an SPF 30, which is a fantastic protection against the sun. It also is very, very easy to use and gives a light touch and a light look to your face. So you're never going to look over made up.